Hello, and welcome to our lesson on performance monitoring, controlling, and reporting. This segment will continue to cover managing changes. A change request is a formal document submitted to the project sponsor or relevant stakeholders to request modifications to project deliverables, processes, or other aspects of the project. Change requests typically include details such as the rationale for the proposed change, the impact on project objectives, potential risks, required resources, and any supporting documentation. Change requests are subject to review and approval or rejection by relevant stakeholders, including project sponsors, clients, and project managers, to ensure that proposed changes align with project goals and do not adversely affect project scope, schedule, budget, or quality. The components of a change request typically include the following: description of change. Provide a clear and concise description of the proposed change, including what aspect of the project is affected and the nature of the modification. Rationale. An explanation of why the change is necessary or desirable. This may include factors such as evolving project requirements, unforeseen challenges, stakeholder feedback, or new opportunities. Impact assessment. This evaluation evaluates how the proposed change will affect various aspects of the project, such as scope, schedule, budget, quality, resources, risks, and stakeholders. This assessment helps stakeholders understand the consequences of the change and make informed decisions. Risk analysis. Identify and analyze potential risks associated with the change, including any mitigation strategies or contingency plans to address them. Approval. Criteria. Criteria or thresholds that must be met for the change to be approved, such as stakeholder consensus, alignment with project objectives, or compliance with organizational policies. Supporting documentation. Any relevant documents, data, analyses, or references that support the change request and provide additional context or justification. Here is a sample change request. These components collectively provide a comprehensive overview of the proposed change, enabling stakeholders to evaluate its merits, assess its impact, and decide whether to approve, reject, or defer the change. A change log, also known as a change register or change control log, is a document or database that records and tracks all changes made to a project over its life cycle. The change log captures information about each change request, including its unique identifier, description, status, priority, proposed resolution, approval status, implementation details, and associated comments or notes. The change log serves as a centralized repository for documenting and managing changes, providing a comprehensive audit trail of all modifications made to the project. It enables project stakeholders to monitor the status of change requests, track changes over time, and ensure that all changes are properly documented, reviewed, approved, and implemented by project requirements and procedures. This is the end of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next lesson.